Does a ladybird deed offer Medicaid asset protection? A ladybird deed, also known as an enhanced life estate deed, is a way for an owner of property to add a beneficiary, known as a remainderman, to the property so that the property can pass directly to the beneficiary when the owner passes away. So this is a similar concept as a POD, payable on death, or TOD, transfer on death account, where the owner of the account remains the same. You're not actually giving it away during your lifetime, but upon your death, it can go directly to one or more listed beneficiaries. We do this as a way to avoid the probate process, so the property can pass directly to one or more individuals while avoiding probate. The reason it's called an enhanced life estate deed is the owner of the property reserves an enhanced life estate. So rather than just a regular life estate, the owner can actually convey the property, mortgage the property, put a reverse mortgage on it, rent it, pretty much do whatever they want to the property while they're alive without the permission or joinder of the remainderman, which is different than a normal life estate. The owner can also change the remainderman, the beneficiary, whenever they want during their lifetime. So they reserve a lot of rights within the property, but the nice thing is, even though they're not giving up any of their ownership rights and the beneficiary doesn't have to okay or sign off on anything, they get to avoid probate by having one of these deeds in place, because the property will pass directly to that beneficiary or the remainderman upon their passing, which is why it does offer some Medicaid asset protection when we're talking about non-homestead property. I'll talk about homestead property in a minute and why you don't really need to worry about this with homestead property. But if somebody owns real estate that is not homestead, it could be subject to Medicaid recovery after they pass away. So Medicaid is able to go into the estate and put a lien against or make a claim against property owned by the estate when the person who was on Medicaid passes away. What happens though with a ladybird deed is if you own real property, again, non-homestead real property, and you do a ladybird deed for this property, it avoids becoming part of your estate upon your passing. Because it never goes into the probate process, it goes directly to the beneficiary, not actually becoming part of the person who passed away, part of their estate, then it isn't going to be there for Medicaid to try to recapture or claim or use in some manner, because it's not actually going to be available to Medicaid. Now, when we're talking about actual homestead property, this property has special privileges afforded to it by the Florida Constitution. So, a ladybird deed is still obviously going to help with the probate avoidance aspect, which is really important. You're going to want to have potentially a deed like this in place so that your homestead doesn't have to go through probate upon your passing. However, because it's homestead property, it's not going to be subject to Medicaid reclaiming it or trying to use it to pay off a Medicaid debt upon your passing. So that's sort of the difference between the homestead property and non-homestead property. But again, both will still have the benefit. If you have a ladybird deed on either type of property, you are going to have the benefit of avoiding probate by having an enhanced life estate deed, or otherwise known as a ladybird deed, in place. So I hope this answers the question regarding if it offers Medicaid asset protection. If you have any other questions regarding ladybird deeds, Medicaid, estate planning, or elder law in general, and you're in Florida, please don't hesitate to contact my office at atCAUSE Law. The link is in my bio.